step number 7. Now, David, what am I going to be using as software? Well, guys, I tried TouchPix and I tried LumaBooth, and now I've been snapping with Snapic, spinning with Snapic for both my 360 booth and my digital photo booth. Now, I understand that Snapic is not the cheapest. However, after communicating with Snapic back and forth, I'm able to get you guys 10% off if you guys use the link in the description box below. LumaBooth, if you are on a very tight budget, don't worry, you can get started with LumaBooth. LumaBooth is only $19 a month plus an additional $7 to have the iPad sharing station capability work. All right, guys, so Snapic, you guys can do per event or monthly or annual. Whatever you decide to go with, make sure you guys use the link so you guys get 10% off when it comes to using Snapic. The reason I am snapping with Snapic now is because I've tried everything. Well, not everything, but primarily the main, most popular 360 photo booth apps. And quite honestly, I probably won't be touching TouchPix anymore. And LumaBooth was super great. It allows you to set up an event right from the comfort of your phone. It's extremely affordable. In fact, it's crazy how much of a difference in price LumaBooth and Snapic have. Now, I understand Snapic because Snapic, you'll be able to get a hold of customer service within 2 minutes right on their website. And with LumaBooth, it's just emailing back and forth, and it kind of takes long sometimes. So for me, that's a turnoff because customer service is everything, especially when you're paying for a premium service. Premium, that's a good word to talk about. When you guys start building your brand, you're definitely going to want to put out premium production videos. And that's what you're able to achieve when using Snapic, because Snapic has so many tools. It has artificial intelligence, AI segmentation. You can make videos in 60 frames per second or dumb them down to 30 frames per second. There's just so much you can do in Snapic, and Snapic can be used for your digital photo booth, 360 booth as well, or DCLR photo booth. So think about this, guys. Go over the 7 steps. Some of this stuff I glazed right over, and some of this stuff I try to give you guys some information that's gonna make you think. I'm sure you're gonna have questions, so I encourage you and I invite you to post your questions in the comment box below. Not on my Instagram, because I won't be reading my messages on Instagram. There's just too many DMs, and I'd rather you guys take the moment to post on the YouTube channel. So when you guys post your question, I can put an answer right on there, and everyone can see your question and my answer, and this is gonna help the entire world. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, you guys, please don't forget that thumbs up. Once again, the links to my suppliers are gonna be listed in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great event. Good luck with your business. I'll see you guys in these next videos. So don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to continuously put out information that I really hope helps you out in your 360 booth journey or photo booth business in general. Take care. Peace.